Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to register crypto. Com app, full guide. Open the crypto. Com app and tap Sign Up to begin entering your email and password. Verify your email via the inbox link and return to the app to continue. Next, complete identity verification by uploading a government ID and a clear selfie. Finish now by setting a secure passcode and enabling two-factor authentication for account protection. First, follow the on-screen KYC prompts to start identity verification in the app. Select your ID type, position it in the guide frame, and snap a clear photo without reflections. Then take a selfie that matches your ID, keeping a neutral expression and good lighting. Review both images for clarity and resubmit if needed. Wait patiently while the app processes verification, which can take a few minutes. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others discover practical crypto tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. I use it for hands-free price checks and calm background music while trading. Check the description for the link and other deals that may help your setup. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. After verification, prioritize account security by enabling two-factor authentication in the settings menu for added protection. Choose a unique passcode and avoid using the same password across other services to reduce risk. If the app provides a recovery phrase, write it down and store it offline in a secure location rather than on your phone. Regularly review connected devices and revoke any you don't recognize to keep your account safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.